Hi everybody, this is Laura
and Arnie
with Crazy Cool Cakes. We're back with a super fun tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you how we make some of the game pieces from my favorite game ever,
Candy Crush.
Now these aren't all the pieces, but this will get you off to a good start if you want to make others besides these. Now we're going to show you how to make them, but how you use them is up to you. You can decorate cakes and cupcakes with these. If you have any questions or comments about the tools and materials that we're using in this tutorial, feel free to leave a comment below the video. I'll also provide a lot of helpful tips and information for you in the description box below. Now we're just going to let you sit back and enjoy watching the making of these edible decorations from
Candy Crush.
You're pretty good at that, baby.
Sweet.
This is our last game piece. Once we're done, it's off to our favorite part.
Yeah.
Steaming procedure, commence! We get lots of questions about steaming, so if you're interested in finding out more, we have 2 tutorials for you. One on how to steam cake toppers and the other on how to steam cakes. Be sure to check them out. You did an awesome job on these decorations, sweetie.
Thank you, baby. Check out this exit.
Whoa, man, those look nice.
Divine.
Clean and professional. That's why we like to steam.
Yep. Sure makes a difference.
Any Candy Crush fan would love these on their cake or cupcakes. These are just beautiful.
Marvelous.
We hope you enjoyed this tutorial, everybody. I'm off to play
Candy Crush. You like that, huh?
Hey guys, we'd like to invite you to join us on social media. You can find links to our Facebook and Instagram underneath this video. We'd also love it if you could check out some more of our tutorials. And more importantly, if you haven't yet, please be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, everybody.
God bless everybody.
Bye-bye.